It's WildGoatFX here, and today I'm going to show you how exactly do you do a debit spread on Robinhood. So let's get into it. These right here are all debit, or a few of these are debit spreads on my watch list right now. A lot of these are expiring today. We got a lot of these 10-16. These are debit spreads. We're down quite a bit. Still not worried because we got long positions on here. But anyways, let's get into it. So what you're gonna want to do is type in the stock you want. Let's just go with RD or Radian, I guess. Make sure you can trade options on the stock. And what you want to go is trade options. Nope. People are messaging me. Sorry about that. Trade options. It's actually kind of a bad one to do it for, but what you want to do is click the select button over here. You would want to buy the top one, or buy the first one and then sell the one above it. Click it, and that makes it a debit spread. Review the order. You can bid between 0.10 and 0.95. For a debit spread, you want to try to bid for the lowest price. So we'd type in how much we want. We'd bid for 0.2 and try to fill it for the best of our ability. And for this, we're just saying that by October, or what I have, November? Yeah, by November 20th, RDN will be above $16. And if it's above $16, you'll make whatever the option says you'll make. So it'd probably be like a 50% gain if the stock moves $2. So let's do that one on Apple. Show you this is exactly how to trade Apple stock if you don't have $100 to trade their options. So we go to October 16th. This is a super safe date. Go to calls. We believe that's going to go to $120. Let's check the volume. 15,000 volume. So $120 by October 16th. You would want to select buy. And then for this one, since the 21.25 is all messed up, see it's higher, you're going to want to select the 22.5. And then by doing this, by selling the 22.5, you'll actually make more money. See how it costs $87. So like the higher you go, the more money you'll make. If you want to sell the 125, the price has to be above 125, but for each point you're above, that's like 100%. So you're gonna make 400% if it's above 125 by October 16th. Cost you $147. So whatever 147 times 4 would be, that's how much you would make. And if you can do the math in your head, it would be 600. So basically, if you bought 5 and it hit 120 above 125, you'd make let's select this real quick. So that's what you would make total. You'd make 3,000, but since it only costs 148, basically 3,000 minus 740, you're looking at 2260 for profit. So that's how much you would make. And this one actually looks like more profitable than the last one, but that's exactly how you would set up a call debit spread. And then let me just show you how to do a put spread. So you just go to the puts. Again, just select and then sell. And then that's a put debit spread. So if this video helps you in any way, guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to be in my alert room where I give out stock alerts, just check the link in the description. You can just sign up through Fiverr. It's only $25. Otherwise, click the link for WildGoatFX Teachable, and you can just sign up directly through my website. Hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.